Hi, this is your guide Moven, and I'm going to show you how to do MoveApp full-stack development using the Dubhe Engine as a developer's best friend to quickly spin out the app and grow within the Move ecosystem. It's going to be a series of tutorials introducing the concept, architecture, and use cases of Dubhe. If you're interested in building awesome apps on the Move ecosystem, this is the right place for you. Come and join us on this journey. Let's get started. In short, Dubhe serves as an engine for everyone to build intent-centric worlds. This means developers are empowered to deliver their product without diving too deep into the trivial development processes, since Dubhe Engine takes care of them smoothly, allowing them to focus on prototyping, managing large-scale applications, and reducing waste efforts on trivial tasks. Let me be more specific. If you want to build your first dApp now, let's say Sui, you first have to learn how to use the Sui CLI to connect the testnet, getting test tokens from the faucet, building and testing your contract packages, and then publishing it. And those are just a part of the process, which make it a steep learning curve for new developers. And next, once you complete to provide a better user interface. This process is often considered trivial in the development process, but it also means that developers must learn web programming in order to connect their dApp to a web page, which requires another significant effort. And finally, when you are building a dApp with everything and it works great on one Move chain and you plan to scale it, you find that it almost requires you to redo the whole development process to migrate to another Move ecosystem due to the nuances between each Move layer 1. Okay, let's go back to how Dubhe Engine solves all of these. With the Dubhe SDK, you can abstract and design your own on-chain storage data structure within a config file. Then, it will auto-generate the corresponding on-chain contract in a well-structured manner for you. Moreover, we pack the CLI command you need for development into one. For example, by running pnpn run setup testnet, it will generate account, check balances, build, and deploy contracts, saving the effort for developers. Also, it provides front integration with an UI/UX rendering engine so that developers can effortlessly launch their dApp web page in no time, leveraging mainstream front-end frameworks such as Next.js. Last but not least, Dubhe built a schema on top of the MoveStdlib library so that on-chain data storage contract can be auto-generated for multiple Move layer 1s using the same schema. This saves a lot of time for the dev team when migrating or scaling up from one Move ecosystem to another. Dubhe is more than just a dev tool. It's also a dev ecosystem in Move so that awesome packages can be published to a registry for others to reuse, and developers will be rewarded through dApp staking. It's going to spread and scale across various Move ecosystems, and ultimately, it will form a community with a governance mechanism that is by developer and for developers. Overall, the big picture is that developers can learn, contribute, and ultimately build amazing Move applications using Dubhe, and eventually help the whole Move ecosystem thrive together. On the left side, you can see developers coming in from different channels, reading articles or watching videos, joining our learning platform, and participating in the broader dev community. This is where they become familiar with Dubhe and gain hands-on experience with the Dubhe engine. Once the developer feels comfortable, they can contribute to Dubhe itself through workshops, co-learning sessions, hackathons, or open resource projects. And next, on the right, we highlight how developers can build on top of Dubhe by publishing packages to our MoveApp registry, conducting dApp voting, or use the dApp Launchpad. This leads to the creation of awesome Move applications and its real, tangible product that benefit from Dubhe Engine and community support. Finally, these apps feed back into the growth of the Move ecosystem, attracting more developers to repeat the same journey and forming a self-sustaining cycle of innovation in Move. And that is the big picture we see. Dubhe is not only the powerful dev tool, but also a thriving dev ecosystem in Move. Let's dive deeper in the following series to see exactly how Dubhe streamlines the development process and supercharge your Move dApps. See you in the next one.